it's so much work. And a lot of people get told that they're not smart enough to do it. But being a vet isn't necessarily the true essence of what they wanted to be. That was just the the job or the role that said, well, if I'm a vet, I get to work with animals. There are many different ways you can work with animals. So if that's what the passion was, to work with animals and communicate with them, or be with them or heal them or take care of them, you could go and look at working in a shelter, going working at an RSPCA, being a dog groomer, being a pet sitter, going. There are many different ways that we can work with animals.